without somebody in the back. Last time we rode, I was kind of felt like I was way up here sitting, you know,
right up in the dash.
Isn't that cool?
Wasn't even know. That black Charger,
Yeah.
is one that I almost bought, or one like that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, there was it was a 23, had really low miles on it. It was the Scat Pack.
Yeah.
But what I didn't like about any of the Dodges is all of the interior was cloth. You couldn't get leather.
Really?
Yeah. Yep. That was weird. Also, I can't get rid of my car because I love it too much.
That's how I feel about my truck. As much as I want something else,
Yeah.
that truck's just been good to me. But I want something else.
Yeah.
I want something that's fun to drive.
Such a pretty day today. And all that weather that we had last week, it was rough.
I don't know how it was where you're at, but everything around here is flooded.
Well, that's normally in our neighborhood we don't have a problem with it flooding, but I wasn't able to put my car through. Ronnie had to come and get me. What all do you have this week as far as your tail?
Okay. Okay. There was one lady. She said she's going to check her calendar and get with me sometime this week. But people tell me that I don't look for them to. But some of them do, some of them don't. I said covered race trailer. I've done one before, and it's a lot of surface area. I said, you know, it can get pretty pricey.
Yeah.
And I sent her some pictures of the one that I did before, which was black. She's like, well, ours is white, but it's like, she said 38 foot or something. I was like, that's bigger than my camera. I don't even know where I'd be able to do that.
No.
I'd have to ask Adam if I could use his hanger for it. If they race, then I know, and they're from here, they know Adam.
Yeah, they got
So,
I think it's pretty cool that he was on that
Street Outlaw.
Street Outlaw. Yeah.
Which I never watched Street Outlaws.
I saw some of the first season episodes, and it was so dramatic.
Well, and the only thing that really turned me off about it is, I mean, I guess I like the concept, but I was expecting Street Outlaws is to be, you drive your vehicle up there and y'all race. Like, people start trailering stuff that is, you can't put on the road. To me, that was a little bit, I mean, yeah, I get it. You can't always go to the track, but I was expecting more street cars than actual dragsters going up there.
I feel like that's what people want anyways.
What's that? The street cars?
The street cars.
Right.
Because it's more realistic.
That's what I was thinking. More like, I don't know if you're, I'm sure you are on Facebook, LP Street Outlaws.
No, I haven't seen that.
So, my buddy Adam Yeager used to come up from Monroe, West Monroe, and, you know, he would be the one to line them up and everything.
Doesn't he have like the fastest SS
I think he
sedan?
sold it.
Did he?
Yeah, but yeah, he did. It still holds the record too. It's the fastest single shift naturally aspirated SS, I believe is it. Which I don't know. I haven't talked to him in a long time, but he specialized in like Mustangs and stuff, Fords. That's what. And I gotta say, not big. I would take a Mustang in a heartbeat, but I prefer something else. But I will say, Mustangs sound meaner than anything else.
They do.
In my opinion.
They really do. There's a bunch of them roaming around in Freeport that I can promise you have nothing more than just exhaust on them,
And they
sound like they could tear you up.
See, I think the Mustangs, they're V8s, but I think they're twin cam V8s, and I think that's where the sound is.
Yeah.
They just sound ridiculous.
There were so many cars that I almost traded mine for, but I came across a 2020 or 2021 5.0.
Yeah.
What I liked about it was all blacked out, had the wing on the back, looked really good, but it had what they call active exhaust, so you could put it in sport mode and it would open them up. But if you were cranking up at 6 in the morning, didn't want to wake the neighbors, you could put it in quiet mode. They sound so good. What was that?
I was looking to see if it was an eagle. I think it was a buzzard or a turkey.
A turkey, yeah. Somebody looked like they had a good time back there. You see the black marks?
I don't know if you laughed with me. Check it out, the brakes are fixed. Watch this. No, I wouldn't. I want a standard shift car.
They're just fun.
Yeah.
That's why I like driving this one and even the Trans Am. You get to do all the shifting. You feel like you're in control of it. You feel like one of those old school race car drivers. I feel like it's a skill that not many people have anymore.
Nope. And that golf that I did the other day,
Yeah.
the reason he really wanted it was because it was a standard shift. And he said this will be the last year Volkswagen produces any standard shift vehicles. And I said, well, I knew it was coming. It ain't going to be long.
Yeah.
Because they ain't going to be able to sell it. You could probably special order it. But that's the only way you're going to get one.
If church is let out up here and nobody's up here, I may turn around and pass by James Williams' house. He just got his new C8 Corvette back, and I wonder if it's outside. Oh yeah. There's that lady. Just a smiling.
He walks up and down this road all the time.
He's got his old one. I think he's got that one for sale for $11,000.
Taking off that third.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
You don't have to flip the fan switch anymore, do you?
No, we're good down there, aren't we?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
That's what I was just looking at the gauges, and it just reminded me.
That is awesome.
What switches you got now? I know one of them's the can.
Yeah, and I've got I've got the idle switch turned down because it should be warmed up now enough to.
Yeah.
When we were at Walmart, it was idling like it should.
Yeah.
And then the only one I got on is a fuel pump.
So all it is a fuel pump and then a high and low switch?
Yep.
A high and low. Okay, good.
That's good to see that you don't have to turn the fan on. That means it's working.
I might take it out sometime this week if I don't have anything. It's supposed to be pretty this week.
So I'm glad that is fixed. That way you don't have to deal with it anymore. Where you want me to pull it and wash it?
Pull it straight up towards the shop.
All right, man. Get her all shined up and whatnot.
Heck yeah. Already got water made up.
Hot dog.
Foam can ready.
The perks of having a detailer for a brother. It's right here good?
Yeah.
Yay, yay.
Okay.
Uh, 460.
Well, the problem
That is cool.
Now